Welcome Education SME Point. SAP Material Creation Master Data Management
SAP
Interview and Questions and
Material
Answer.
Master Data Definition. This is the enterprise main source of material-specific data. This data will include information on the materials that a company can procure, or produce, or store or sell. Material master is the master record of company's main source of material-specific data. Since there are different departments in an enterprise and each department works on some specific material, so they will enter different information regarding their material. So each user department has its own view of material master record. SAP code used for material master data. MM01 Material Master Creation, MM02 Material Master Modifications, MM03 Material Master View. Industry Material Master Definition. Industry sector to which your company and thus your materials belong. Key that specifies the type of industry to which the material is assigned. What is material type in SAP? Material types are the materials which are having the similar attributes are categorized together and assigned to a material type. It is a classification of allowed material into material types based on attributes. Key that assigns the material to a group of materials such as raw materials, finished products, or operating supplies. The material type defines certain attributes of the material and has important control functions. What is material code? Material code is a unique identification of material. Material code and material number are same terminology in business. What is material description? Material description is a unique identification of the material. The description is 40 characters in SAP system. Goods or objects that are used, consumed, or created during the manufacturing may be called the materials. Material can be traded, used in manufacture, consumed and produced. What is mean by material group? Material group is a key that is used to group together several materials or services with the same attributes. Each material or service is assigned to a particular material group. Material group is used for reporting purpose and you can restrict the scope of analysis and search material master records via search helps. Base unit of measure, UOM. A unit of measurement that can be determined by taking one measurement without having to combine any other measurement. Length, mass, and temperature are examples of base units. What is gross weight? Thus, gross weight means total weight. It includes the actual product, its packaging and any other packaging required to enable the shipping of the product. What is net weight? Net weight refers to the weight of the raw product and does not include the weight of the product's packaging or container. For example, the weight of sardines before being placed into tins. The net weight is equal to the gross weight minus the tare weight. Base unit of measurement. Base unit of measure is unit of measure in which stocks of the material are managed. The system converts all the quantities you enter in other units of measure, alternative units of measure, to the base unit of measure. Unit of measurement in MM01. Units of measure to be used in material masters with the same alternate units of measure. This keeps you from having to set up the same alternate units of measure over and over on different material masters. Alternative unit of measure, UOM, a unit of measurement that is determined by combining one or more measurements. In short, all units of measure other than the base unit of measure are referred to as alternative units of measure. What is an ABC indicator? An ABC indicator is an indicator assigned by the ABC analysis procedure. An ABC indicator provides details of the consumption value of the material involved in the ABC analysis. The ABC analysis is performed by multiplying the current price of the materials by their quantity. The different consumption values are given as follows. A materials, important parts, high usage/consumption value. B materials, less important parts, medium usage/consumption value. C materials, relatively unimportant parts, low usage/consumption value. What is N? An article can be carried in different units of measure. An European article number, EAN, is created as a unique indicator for each of these units of measure. The most important use of Ns within a company is to identify articles at the point of sale, POS, using the barcode valuation class. The valuation class allows the stock values of materials of the same material type to be posted to different GL accounts. What data in the material master is maintained at the client level? General data, i.e., the data applicable to the company as a whole, is stored at the client level. What data in the material master is maintained at the company code level? The data that is specific to a particular company and the plant and storage areas assigned to that company is maintained at the company code level. What are the plant-specific data in the material master? The MRP data and forecast data are the plant-specific data in the material master.